This is the kind of accessory you might see on the cover of a cottage-style magazine. A basket pendant light is a doable do-it-yourself project. Michelle Crowley has mastered the design and the mechanics. I am so eager to learn. These are beautiful.
They're so fun to make and really easy.
Listen, I'm a Serena and Lily lover. Can I afford what's in that magazine? No, but I love the look, and this tips toward that kind of coastal. It gives you the texture, it gives you that natural color. What do you love about the pendant light?
Do you know what, all of those things? I love kind of this resurgent right now of bamboos and wickers and rattans. I just think it's so great. And they're casual, but not so, I mean, you can dress them up or dress them down.
That's a great
what
point.
You put with them.
There is a casual tone to them, but it does give us that interesting texture to play
with.
And why make over buy?
Well, cost.
Thank you. Yes.
For one, a few years ago I went to market and they were everywhere. You know, actually it wasn't a few years, a couple years. And they were everywhere, and they still are. And you know, we're looking at the price tags on them and we're going, oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a heart skip.
Thousands of dollars for a basket, you know, but I was working on a project this past year for a client, and we were doing her basement, and we wanted a basket, and I was looking, and it wasn't just the price, it was also that I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. I was finding kind of close, and then I walked into a home goods store, and there were some baskets, and I kind of went,
wait a minute.
I'm like, that is the right shape, it's the right size.
So you really are working with just baskets?
Just baskets.
Baskets, upside down baskets. Where do these play best in the home? Where do they fit best in the home, would you say?
Do you know what? You can use them anywhere. I've got them hanging over my kitchen island. I've put them in basements, like in the banquette kind of nook area.
Sure.
Got this one right here that is going in a client's bedroom above their bed. So I think the sky's the limit. You can put them wherever you want.
Pick your room. Pick a room, any room.
Pick a room, any room.
Picking a good basket. Are there any tips there?
Yeah. So there are. The thing is, just grab it and look at it upside down.
Just do a little
and usually a bell shape or something like, I love this, it's kind of a globe shape, and you can kind of see the different things. If it's, you just look at it and go, if it's got a funky shape, that's not gonna work, but really, honestly, if you look at it upside down and it looks good to you, it's good.
It's gonna hang, just so. What other supplies do we need for this project?
So really, you need good cutters. Like these are my yard cutters.
Okay.
I've got my bolt cutters, because sometimes they're gonna have wire, like a pretty heavy duty wire in the bottom where you need to put the light. So you might need a bolt cutter for that. But you're just gonna literally take your cutters and cut, if it's got handles, cut the off if you don't want the handles. Sometimes they have handles like up on the side, and those look kind of cute. You know, but you're gonna cut them off with the wire cutters, and then you're gonna flip it over, and you're gonna take your fixture, and this is the thing that you need first and foremost, is your actual fixture.
And this starts to fill over my head.
This is not over your head.
Okay.
I promise it's not. Any light fixture, and that's why I grabbed these and showed them out. Any pendant light fixture, not any, but most pendant light fixtures are gonna they're gonna come with like this piece.
Inside.
And they're gonna have this.
Okay.
And it's going to attach. So all you're gonna do is, any light fixture, you can take this off.
Okay.
And you're gonna use this. So it might even be the pendant lights that you already have hanging above your
from my
kitchen
ceiling.
light.
Okay.
Kitchen ceiling.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna take it off, and then it has this little screw. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Let's look at this one. You've got the, the little end, and it just,
tightens right on.
Tightens right on.
Okay. So you're creating an opening in the bottom of the basket?
So you're creating the opening. Now here's one of the things that's a little bit tricky with this, not super, but when you're cutting away, because it's a natural fiber, it's not solid. So, and it's usually quite a bit thicker than, like, say, this is gonna be, right? So you might have trouble then getting your little thing on. So that's where I came up with this. These little discs, Hobby Lobby, come in a 6-pack.
Oh, nice.
Super cheap. But
it's thin.
And it just gives you the ability, I have this one already cut, that just gives you the ability when so you're gonna put it into your, here, let's do this one. You put it into your basket. And if we needed this for stability, it would go in underneath to hold it.
You cut it to size.
Yep.
And it helps give you that stability.
And then that little nut thing just screws on.
Yeah,
that's
look
it.
at that. Voila.
And that's it.
Oh
so
my goodness.
Really, honestly, you can do this like in an hour.
Yeah. And you're not gluing, you're just gonna screw that on.
You're just gonna screw it on.
This is a brilliant idea though for the stability.
It helps with the stability, and it gives it something to, the nut to something to grab into.
Okay.
Because a lot of times the fibers on the top of the basket might pull away or whatever. You don't want that light dropping down on you.
All right, any recommendations as we hang these? Height or balance?
Height, balance, I'd say, there's all kinds of rules as far as like how high or whatever. I'm really all about stand. You want it to be just a little bit above your eye.
How does it feel?
How does it feel?
Yeah.
You know, you can do the measurement and then stand back and go, it doesn't feel right.
Yeah.
It's all about how it feels. You stand and you look at it
Yeah.
and see. You want it to be, especially if you're over a table or a kitchen countertop, so you can see through it. So it's above your eye level.
I guarantee there is going to be extra pause on the home goods basket aisle this week and beyond as women think that could be a light fixture.
Yeah, Home Goods, Hobby, actually several of them came from Hobby Lobby. And you know where else has good baskets?
Tell us.
Harmon's grocery store.
Really?
They have great buyers or something because I found some really good baskets there.
Okay,
so
good to know, Michelle.
Don't forget the grocery store.
We are smitten with this DIY project and the transformational power it can have on your home and your space, and you're so good at things like this. How can we follow along with you?
I'm Michelle's Design Life on Instagram, and next month I'll have a website. So same thing, michellesdesignlife.com.
And you share ideas, you work with clients as well.
Yes.
Nice. We will link you over to her platform from our studio5.ksl.com. Go to our project tab at the top of the screen. You'll find all of the contact information for our talented presenters, as well as video links to the projects and tutorials we share here each and every day.